Hi guys, welcome to Kyle's Creations. I'll be making the golden ninja and a made-up weapon I made. So first off, we'll be making the golden ninjas and these are the pieces you'll need. There are some over here. I just can't get them. But I'll be making the golden ninja right now. These will be the pieces you'll need. So first off, all of you know how to make a minifigure. It's so easy if you don't, for some reason. Well, first, you'll be putting the body and the legs together. Then you'll be putting a black cape on. And you may not know how to put a cape on, but through those two holes in there. Then you'll be taking a shoulder pad piece. Looks like this. I got it from a mystery figure. And then I'll be taking the golden ninja head and then the hood. And there's the golden ninja. I actually got mine from the golden dragon set from Legacies. And I also took 2 pieces from Legacy Samurai X suit. It's the gun and that brown thing. But right now we're going into the small weapon. So you'll be taking this piece if you're not familiar. I don't know what it's called again. And I don't know what it's called. That's what I meant. So then you'll be giving it to the golden ninja. And then you'll be putting this piece on it. It's a rare piece. I like that. Well, not rare, but then you'll be putting it on the bottom of it. And there, this weapon. I don't like to take it off. Well, I don't want to take it off too much because it will just go apart. But now we'll be making the main weapon. Actually, these are the two. This is the weapon part. This and this. I have an extra one. I don't remember where it is, but you can only get those pieces from Season 9 sets Hunted, and I don't remember which one I got mine from. Stormbringer or Firstborn, but I'll be taking that weapon. First, you'll be taking this gun piece and these 2 pieces I mentioned earlier and putting them together as they go. But then you'll take this piece, don't know what it's called again though, but you'll be taking it and then putting it in front and back, the back to keep it on, of course. Then you'll be taking this chain piece. It's not very long, but if you have a longer one, you don't need that black piece. You can just use this chain. But then you put the 2 ends together and then put them on the gun and on the top of that black thing. But then you'll be taking this or this or this. Yes, I'm going to be taking this. Wait, sorry. Guys, I made a mistake. You'll be taking this and then putting it on that and then the chain. Sorry. And then this or you could have it like this. Doesn't look my favorite, but you could also have it looking like this. Can't really see that part very well, so I'm putting it up closer. Then I'm putting it on like that, and then in Lloyd's hand, and it actually can shoot. Like that when you press down on the ground. Then stay on. Hey, that's fine. And you'll have this piece left over, or that other golden one. But I have this one left over. Bye!